Hey everyone, Ian from PicoBrew here, and today I wanted to talk about cleaning your brand new still for the first time and continual maintenance on the PicoStill. A couple of things you'll need is your still set up with the copper column and everything else attached. You'll also need your cleaning tube included in your PicoStill box. You'll need citric acid, another mason jar or holding container, 1 gallon of distilled water, and 1 gallon of white vinegar. Let's get started. The first step in our initial cleaning process is to take our gallon of distilled vinegar and fill it up to the 2-liter mark in our keg. Next, insert the PicoStill into the keg and attach it to the PicoC. Set the temperature on the PicoStill to 160 degrees and start the distillation process. Once you've collected 150 milliliters of distillate, go ahead and detach the PicoStill and prepare for the next cleaning step. So, we've just finished our initial cleaning on our brand new PicoStill, and now it's time to cover the standard cleaning process that we'll use after every distillation, including the run that we just did. To start, we'll mix up our citric acid solution using 1 gallon of water and 4 tablespoons of citric acid. Now that we have our cleaning solution all mixed up, we're going to start by cleaning the condenser column. Remove the copper column and set off to the side. Next, go ahead and grab your cleaning tube that was included in your PicoStill kit and insert into the condenser column. Grab your extra mason jar and fill this up with cleaning solution. Take your cleaning hose and insert that into the jar with the cleaning solution. Finally, attach this mason jar. And now we're going to start by activating the vacuum pump to pump the cleaning solution through the copper column, making sure to not fill the mason jar more than 90%. Hold the power button for 5 seconds until the green light starts blinking. Then tap the power button once and you'll see an orange blinking light. Double tap the power button and you'll activate the pump. Now that we've run our cleaning solution through the condenser column, it's time to empty both jars and then fill our secondary vessel with distilled water and run the exact same process over again, cleaning out the condenser column and the tubes from any residual cleaning solution. Now that our condenser column is clean, it's time to take all of the removable parts off of our PicoStill for individual cleaning. Now that we have our PicoStill completely disassembled, it's time to take the rest of our cleaning solution and fill our keg up. Take all of your individual components and gently place them inside the keg. Let these soak for at least 10 minutes. Now that the parts are clean, thoroughly rinse them off with tap water and allow to air dry, making sure to remove all leftover cleaning solution that might compromise the flavor of future distillations. Be sure to leave behind your cleaning solution in the keg for the next step of the cleaning process. So, while those components are air drying, it's time to clean the rest of the still. Go ahead and take it and place it in the remaining cleaning solution and give it a nice little swirl. And we're going to let this guy soak for at least 15 minutes. Now that the coils are done soaking, it's time to remove them and rinse them thoroughly with tap water. Make sure to avoid getting any water on top of the still, which contains sensitive electronic components. Take a damp rag and thoroughly wipe down the interior of the still, making sure to get the coils and the stainless steel stands. Finally, pour the cleaning solution down the drain and rinse your keg out with tap water. Set aside to air dry. Our parts are all cleaned and dried, and we've gone ahead and reassembled our PicoStill for our next distillation project. Thanks again for joining us today. And if you have any questions, email us at info@picobrew.com or keep checking out this channel for more distillation and brewing videos on PicoBrew hardware. Cheers.